Nandu, Nandu. Okay. So test data will do for the different ways. One is for the like we have the database will be there and go to the database and we need to enter for the some queries and you can fetch the data from the database. That is the one thing. Second thing, already it is an existing project. Already it is you have the scripts. So where is the test data, where is the scripts you want to ask from the someone and you can get from that is the one more thing. And one more thing, like you don't have these two options, you don't have, but you need for the test data. So yourself you need to prepare the test data. How to we can prepare the test data means, so for example we'll go to the application. Okay, like any application, if we go like one, this is the web tour application. Here I want to sign up now. And after that, enter details, click on continue. And already I showed, right? This like you can enter from the, okay. Some Uday one and I enter password and this is the business flow and first name. Okay. And address and city. Okay. Okay. And click on continue. See, thank you, Uday. Uday is the user created. Then click on continue and sign off. See, Uday is login successfully. Means we are created ourselves. So means this user you can use from the your test data point of view. But I want for the 1,000 user data or I want for the some 100 user data. So it is a manually we can do. That is a good thing. Good thing. No, right?
Not.
No, right?
Okay.
So that is the way through we have the like VUSN will be there. Using that VUSN, we can record the what are the steps we want to do. We can record and we can prepare the test data ourselves. So now we'll go to the already I recorded script. This one you can observe launch URL. Okay. And after that, login. Okay. After that, login and we can observe like we are enter from the first name, last name, password, all details we are entered, right? Like we are creating for the user. I created this user and you can observe after that continue and sign off. So this business flow I recorded. So after recorded, I want to create for the users. So for example, here Kiran is there, right? In this place, I want to create user. Okay, like Srikanth is there. Srikanth. Through script, I'm creating Srikanth and password some SRI 123 and again password is asking SRI 123. So username password is a must I want. So that is why I changed that too. Now we'll observe using this. We are able to actually that user is there not there. We'll check before here before executing and we'll give an user password what SRI 123, right? Is it correct? SRI 123. So now click on login. See this user is there. You can observe incorrect password user means this user is not existing user. So now we are given here and just you can save this and you can execute now. Okay. What is that? Contain 18 columns inside. You have any parameterization done? No? So just will execute again. See initializing and it's done. Your script is pass. Now you are created user. So you can go here and what is the username we are given. Okay, you are unable to see. Like you can go to the application. Now you can click on this. See, through script you did. Through script we did. So same way I want from the like 100 users or 50 users or 1000 users you want. So how to we can do for that means you can do for the parameterization username and replace with parameter and create parameter and you can do for the parameter name what value can give user name param and click on properties and go to the here and click on create table, click on okay and can by name what is the name you are doing username and here you can do for the sequential random water maybe file and after that click on okay and it is asking for the replace with the another place if you want means can click on yes otherwise no and after that password also we can do replace with parameter create and properties. Now we are doing for the complex parameterization. So complex parameters how to we can do? We need select for the what is the dot file username param dot file. So for here add column we are adding for the password. See I added by name you need select for the password param and here we need select for the same line as some user param username param. Click on close and click on okay. Always no. So like what data you want you need to add for do for the parameterization all data only I want for the only username password you can do otherwise I want from the like first name last name and all details also I want for the different then you can add for the that data also you can add so before that so we'll open another router is there okay that is API testing. Okay, I will open for the one more script. Yesterday we did, right? Yeah, this one, this one. Yeah, okay, now we'll see the here. You can observe. So we need exactly what data we need, like username, password we need. So username, password you need from the login. You can go to the login login username password we need from the different data means we need to create from the username password for example 100 data and after that so in the action also we are doing for the first name last name also we are doing right what data you want you can do from the here like here first name last name address 1 address 2 and so those details you need. So same way in the like our script also we need for that data. So this is the password also you can replace with parameter and I replace with the password only. Okay, just I replace with the variable and here first name you can give for the replace with para create name and give for the f name underscore co oh sorry param. So properties and we need to select which one Srikant for here which dot file. Srikant, are you there?
Username.
Username dot file. And after that, we need to click on the add column.
Add.
And we are adding for the first name column. And by name, we need to select for the which one? First name param. And for here, we need to select from the same line as user param.
Same line as user.
And after that, click on OK and always no. And last name also you can do. Replace with parameter and create new parameter. And here you can give for the last name, name underscore param properties. Again, we are doing for the complex only. You need to select for the username dot and add column, last name, and here you need to add from the by name, username param. Sorry, is it correct? Last name param and
Last name.
Last.
username param. Click on OK and this. Okay, and address 1, address 2 also you can do. Create and address 1 underscore param.
Param.
Okay, and select for this dot file and add column. Click on add column. For by name, we need to select for the address 1 and here username. Why every time username param only we are selecting? We have different also will be there, right? If you go here, you can observe we have remaining also we have. So username param will be there. So because that is the our parent. So that is why I'm selecting
Parent.
that one. Okay. So and we'll do for the address 2 also. Replace with parameter and create new parameter and take from the parameter name is the address 2. So properties. Again, we need to select our parent. Okay, username param dot and add column. And I'm adding for this and by name address 2. You need to add from the address to param and same line as user. So now I done this. So now you can go to the parameters. For here, I want for the 50 users, different users I want to create. So how do we can do means we can create for the any Excel. Okay, test data CS will be there. Okay. Okay, for here, you can remove this. So for example, I'm giving for the okay some data creating Arsha and first name, last name, after username. After that, we need to give for the password, right? Yeah, some Arsha 123 is a password. Okay, and after that, first name. Again, first name is a last name is Sriram. Address 1 is Aminpur and Hyderabad is the last name. So I added for this all details. Now I want for the this data is a 50 user data I want to create. You can give for the 1 and first name I'm giving for the 1 Sriram 1 and same data also you can give for us also no problem. Otherwise, if you want different data, you can give for the like this. Now, if you want to create for this data 100 users, so we'll create for the like I want for the 50 user data. So see, each user is a different 50 user data I'm creating. So this data is not there as a user. So I want to create all data also. We can create at a time also. Can do. See, now you can observe each time is a different data I'm passing. You can observe. See, Arsha 1 were different, Arsha 2 is different, Arsha 3 is different. So, and first name, last name, everything is a different I'm passing. So this data we can put from the in our script. So before that, you can save this. Okay. Like you can go to the already test data CSV file already it is saved. Okay, we'll save from the ourselves. Okay. Okay, in the desktop, I'm giving for the like web tour test data. Okay, and here you can observe when you are saving, you need to give for the select CSV comma delimiter. CSV comma delimiter. You can save this after you can select that. You can save this. Now you are created this data. Okay, click on S. Now go to the desktop. We are added for the web tour one, right? You can click for the web tour. See, this is the data. Now you can open with Notepad. So Control A, can Control C, copy. And if you go to the script and edit with Notepad, you can select for the .file username, and there you can go here. Okay. Now you can copy paste from the, like if you remove this also no problem. Okay. See, now you can all data you got it. So and simple the don't give for the this lines. If you give this lines, it will get error. So we need to only one line we need from the after this. So now I prepare all data I given. So save this, save. See all data it is came. This data is already existing in our like our web tour already. These users are there, not there, right? So now you can go to the password. Everywhere will be automatically it is replaced with that data. See, everywhere will be replaced with that data. Now this data we want to create for the 100 users, 50 users you are given, right? In runtime settings you can go, and here you can give for the 100 like 50 only, right? 50 times you can give and you can save. So before that, right, we can test one user we can take Arsha. These users are already, it is the there not there in our application. We'll check Control V, and what is that password? Arsha 123. Click on login. See this user there, not there. Okay, you can check one user. It is there, not there. So means now we can create for this data. So now we'll okay, everything is fine. We can 50 times I am executing. So just you can click on replay button.
Times.
Yeah, 50 times I means I want for the 50 user data is a valid data. So that is why I'm creating this data, and this data I can use from the in my actual script as a web tour ticket booking script. Tomorrow will be system test for the performance like parameterization. Everyone will be must to do for the complex parameterization date and time. I will give for the one URL to everyone. You guys can record in front of me, and you can do for the scripting in front of me only. Still your
Password is different, sir.
password.
password is different even in that CSV file.
Oh, is it
Harsha
one the same? What is the CSV file? We copy paste only, right? Here also. Okay. User to user is different, right? Okay. Sure, 123 is a one user, another user different, right? Okay, we'll check. Once execution is completed, we'll check. Still execution is going.
Confirm password is
Yeah, confirm password also. Your passing for the password. What is the parameter name passing? Same value you are passing.
in Excel data is not.
Oh, Excel data is not there. Okay, I think no need, right? Because just you are replacing what is data here passing, same data you want here. Password you are giving Harsha123, same Harsha123 only you need here, right? So no need for the confirm password in the Excel sheet.
You have to enter.
Confirm password I am not entered. You can see here. This is the first name, last name,
First name,
and
last.
address 1, address 2. That's it. Still it is executing. This much of time is taking.
This one is a complex parameter.
Yes, complex parameterization. Real time also we can go with the complex parameterization only. Because we'll give for the random these things, right? It will like exactly correct pick or not, we don't know. So it is a good as the same line as some other parameter. That is a good for that as a complex parameterization. So maximum will go for the this. So if you have single values, we can do for the individually also. How we did for the starting itself, right? You can do that way. This much time is waiting here. After sign off and return here, it is waiting. In the runtime settings, logic 15. I think we have any pace runtime settings. How pacing is there? Okay, here you can observe 90 seconds is there. So that is why each iteration it is waiting from the 90 seconds. So that will be no need. So it is take for the much time. So much time. So every time it is each iteration, it is waiting from the 90 seconds. And after that, again, it is executing. I'm stopping up to this. Okay. So now how many iterations done? 4 iterations only, it is done. You can observe 4 users. Now we'll check for the 4 users manually first. And show 1, 2, 3 only given. So we'll do one thing and in runtime settings, we can remove that pacing. So we are giving for the no pacing, means it is not wait for the, I think it is wait. And 50 iterations again we will execute.
10.
Okay, you can save this. Then also you don't have. Okay. The username, something is you are getting error. I can observe right hand side. Okay. We'll check. Some users is working fine. You can observe. This creating for the Arsha 9,
Right.
Arsha 10. Okay, starting users already we have created sometime means you already same user you are creating means you get for the this kind of error. Okay, like already username password is exist, you will get that kind of error. But you can observe remaining all we are getting from the Arsha 19 is going 20, Arsha 21. Till 50 users here we are creating. So means ourselves we can prepare the data like this. For example, we have the like Pestor application also will be there, right? There also we can create for the data. So here we have the sign in, click on sign in, and there register now, and you can enter here, and after that click on save and account confirmation. Then you can create for this data username, password, and first name, last name, email, phone number, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip, country. So these all details you are entering. So that is why we can do for the parameterization. So means yourself you can do for the 2 scripts as a test data preparation. Tomorrow I will give for the everyone is a different URL. You guys can do for the parameterization in front of me. Okay, our script is done, right? So now you can observe 50 times it is executed. So you can observe ending iteration 50 times it is executed. So now we'll observe for the our parameters. Okay, randomly I will pick, and those users are created or not we can observe. Okay, I will pick for the Arsha 11 and password is this is the password Arsha 11. Go to here and Arsha 11, right? Arsha 11 and password. Spelling is correct. HARS HARSHA 11 and Arsha 113. Yeah, now you can observe Arsha 11. It is created. Means through script we are created, and you can check from the next one. Arsha 12 and password will be 134. Can take proper username passwords. Arsha 12, right? Take from the this. See. So through script now you have created, right? What is data is there? This data we can use from the in our actual script. Is this script? Go to the parameters, and already we did or not? Oh, data. Same way we can do for the parameterization, and already I think that I did. Okay, we'll do quickly and we'll replace that data. Replace with parameter and create new parameter and user name. Let's go for okay. And after that properties and create table and okay, and close this and okay. No, and password also I'm doing replace parameter, create new parameter, and password underscore param properties, create table. Oh, sorry, we can create table. No, right? We are doing for the complex parameters. I done different one username dot the yeah, our dot file. This is our dot file, and here add for the password param, and by name add password param, and here sequential, and after that we need to do for the first name last name also, right? Can go here and where is that first name last name? Yeah, here. Replace it parameter and create new parameter name underscore. Tomorrow one side is intersection is going, one person, everyone will be share your screen, and I will ask for the interview questions one by one also. Up to parameterization, starting onwards, like what is perform testing, components, architecture, and PT life cycle, parameterization, properties, all things. Okay. So so everyone able to understanding class every day, or anyone is unable to understanding?
Yeah.
So address one, we don't have any value, right? We'll give some value. So select our correct dot file, then only you will get. Now last one we can do and we'll complete. And what is that? First address to, right?
Sir, here import values is there, no? Beside edit with notepad.
Before
Besides edit with notepad, import values is there, no, sir?
yeah, import values also there. This operation what will happen, right? If you want to import from the database, if you click that, and there we can give for the query, and there too we can import from the, like what is the parameter names, username, password, first name already there. You can do for that is the way also you can do.
Okay.
Okay. So click on okay. Now we did, right? So now what is data you are created. This data already everything you are created, right? In Web2 this data. So this data you can copy because this data is a valid data. You are created, right? In the Web2 script, you can go to the parameters and there you can click on this. And there where you are doing is an param only, right? Yes, correct. Yeah, Control V. Okay, come to the here and check from the last. See, 2 lines will be there. We want only 1 line. After that, Control S. Save this. Do this. See now, can everywhere will be. We are able to see the address 1, address for every data is there. So now this script it will work with the 150 user data. You can run from this script in the controller with the 50 users. Got it? So like this we can do for the scripting, and after that you can execute, and 50 times you can execute also, your script will be never failed. Okay. So anyone any doubt regarding this
Yes,
parameterization?
Kiran.
Yes, please.
I have one facing issue. No, regarding session event is not timing visible.
Events are not recording, huh?
Yes.
Okay. You can share. So I'm closing class up to this. So you can connect again and we'll see that error. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for joining everyone. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue our classes. Thank you. Bye.